Hello students, in this video we will discuss about latus rectum of an ellipse. What is the latus rectum? Since latus rectum is nothing but a line passes through the any focus of the ellipse. Suppose this is the F2 and this is the F1. A line passes through any focus of the ellipse and it is perpendicular to the axis of this ellipse, major axis of the ellipse, and its both end point on the ellipse, then this is known as latus rectum of ellipse. That means L dash is the latus rectum of ellipse. If you want to write the mathematical definition, a line passes through any one of focus of ellipse and perpendicular to major axis and its both end lie on ellipse, then that means that is L dash is known as latus rectum. Latus rectum. Now, how to find the length of latus rectum? Find the length of latus rectum. Means what will be length of L dash? Let LF2 equal to small l. We consider that this distance will be small l, and as you know that from O to F, OF2 equal to small c. Therefore, coordinate of L will be C, L. Since equation of ellipse, as you know that equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Since L point whose coordinate is C, L lie on this ellipse, so this point satisfied, means L point satisfied this equation, then this will be C square upon A square plus L square upon B square equal to 1. Putting the value of x coordinate and y coordinate from that point in this equation. Therefore, this will be L square upon B square equal to 1 minus C square upon A square, or this will be A square minus C square upon B square. A square. If you transfer L square on the right side, then this will be, therefore L square equal to B square into A square minus C square upon A square. Since A square minus C square equal to B square, therefore this will be L square equal to B square into, on the place of A square minus C square we can write B square whole upon A square. This will be equal to B raised to the power 4 upon A square. Therefore L equal to B square upon A. That means length of LF2 will be L equal to B square upon A square. Therefore L dash, that means length of latus rectum latus rectum equal to 2 into L equal to 2 into B square upon A square. Now in the next video, we will discuss about another topic related to ellipse.